Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to shop safely on eBay and avoid scams. eBay can be an amazing place to find unique products, rare collectibles, or great deals, but it's also important to be careful so you don't run into problems. In this video, I'll share some simple but effective tips that will help you buy on eBay with confidence. The very first step is to check the seller's reputation and reviews. Always look at their feedback score and don't just stop there. Read through recent reviews from other buyers. This will give you a sense of how reliable they are, how quickly they ship, and how they handle issues. A seller with a high percentage of positive feedback and plenty of detailed reviews is usually a safe bet. On the other hand, be cautious if the seller is brand new or has only a few reviews, especially if you're about to spend a good amount of money. Next, pay close attention to the listing details. Read the description thoroughly, look at the stated item condition, check the shipping costs, and review the return policy. The photos are just as important. Zoom in and make sure there are no signs of damage or differences between the description and the images. If something feels unclear, don't hesitate to message the seller and ask questions before making your purchase. Another smart step is to compare prices. Look at similar items on eBay to see if the deal makes sense. If the price seems suspiciously low compared to others, that's usually a red flag. Remember the old saying, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Price comparison will also help you avoid overpaying when there are better offers available. When it comes to communication, always use eBay's own messaging system. This keeps your personal details private and ensures that everything is recorded in case there's a dispute. A trustworthy seller will usually respond quickly and answer your questions in a clear and professional way. Now let's talk about payment, which is a crucial part of staying safe. Stick to eBay-approved methods, especially PayPal, because it offers buyer protection. Never agree to pay outside of eBay using wire transfers or direct bank deposits. Those methods don't provide the same protection, and if something goes wrong, you may not be able to get your money back. Finally, take advantage of eBay's money-back guarantee. This policy covers you if an item never arrives, is defective, or is not as described. As long as you've kept all your communication and payments within eBay, you'll be covered and can file a claim if necessary. By following these tips, you'll be able to shop on eBay confidently, protect yourself from scams, and enjoy the excitement of finding great deals online without the stress. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and easy-to-follow guides.